was so romantic. It felt like a movie. Even the weather was perfect. And at the end of the date, he told me that he loves me.
Oh my gosh, that sounds so cute.
It really was. I still get goosebumps each time I remind myself of that night.
I guess later Picasso is not that impressed.
Hey! Am I boring you?
What? I just wanted to draw.
Well, maybe you'll find me more interesting if you ever manage to go on a date.
I literally just wanted to draw.
Oh, is that so? Let me see what's so special about it.
Hey, Emily, give it back.
You've been avoiding people for this? What is this? Looks like somebody just puked on paper.
Don't be rude, Emily. It's probably the best she can, throwing pukes.
Take my advice. Stop wasting your time and get a life. Oh, here he comes.
I am so sorry.
It's alright, it's my fault.
Whoa. Did you draw this?
Oh, yeah, I did, but it's...
Fred! Leave it to her. She is an artist. I'm sure she will get something out of it.
Let's go, lovebirds.
Does she want attention? She could be doing this anywhere else. Why does she have to flaunt it in the cafeteria?
Forget about her, Emily. I'm hungry. Let's go stand in line before they run out of meatballs.
No. She thinks she's better than the rest of us. Oh, look at me. I'm so dedicated. She probably looks down on us for doing normal stuff. And I'm not gonna stand that.
All right. So what you gonna do about that?
Start recording. If she wants to try in the cafeteria, she has to know that certain accidents can happen. I am so sorry, Rebecca. I hope I didn't ruin your wonderful sketches.
You did this on purpose.
Oh, how dare you? You know that accidents can happen. And besides, cafeteria is not a place to draw. If I wasn't distracted by all of your mess, I would have watched my step.
What did I ever do to you? Why can't you just let me be? I'm not bothering anyone.
Yeah, Emily, lay it off. Why are you being a jerk?
Zip it and mind your own business. And you, stop with the waterworks. Maybe you can fool the boys, but not me. And if you really want to know why I take issue with you, it's because I hate it when people do pointless things.
My art isn't pointless.
Oh, sweetheart, get ahead of the times. While you take days to create something new, I can just use an artificial intelligence program to generate whatever I want. So your skills, they're pointless.
That is not real art.
Oh, really? That's exactly what people said about photography when it was invented. And look where we are now. Oh, and also, can you clean up before you come to class? Because I really don't want to sit next to a beef burger. Oh my. I am so sorry, Rebecca. She finally got what she deserved.
I don't know, it just seems a bit too much.
Oh, I see. She got into your head too?
What? No, I was just thinking that...
Hold on. Hey, Ribs. What's got you all fired up?
Leave me alone, Emily.
Ooh, that's no way to speak to someone who made you famous.
What? Cool. Tag me next time.
An art competition. I'll put an end to this once and for all.
overwhelming number of submissions we've received is a strong indicator of the young generation still being able to put hours or even days of work into creating something beautiful and meaningful, even though only one of the artworks will be able to have a prize this time, tonight. I hope that all of the participants feel they've accomplished something wonderful. Now that that's been said, let's reveal our finalists. So, the creator of the winning artwork is Rebecca. Your painting just smells so good. What gave you the idea to use food as paint color?
Well, thank you so much. I just got inspired when food accidentally fell on my work.
Congratulations, sweetheart. You know, getting inspiration from hardship is the mark of a true artist.
You know what? This contest sucks. And the judge wouldn't even know art if it hit him in the face. How can you compare this crap with my artificial my art? Okay, whatever. I used AI to prove that art is just all junk for boring people. I could be clicking a button to create art for you all day long, you bunch of losers.
Pardon me?
I won the competition, you just refused to admit it.
Well, as far as I can see, you lost the competition with your so-called artificial intelligence.
Yeah, whatever. I proved my point. Okay, let's go, Fred. Fred?
I don't think so.
What?
Look, you've been an absolute jerk towards Rebecca for absolutely no particular reason. She made an amazing art piece and you couldn't give her the tiniest bit of respect? You know, I'm just done with you, Emily.
What?
Wow. Now that's gonna be viral.
And you?
Hey, you okay?
Do I look okay?
Oh, besides the snot-filled tears. May I?
Why in the world would you be nice to me?
Because I know how it feels to be rejected.
If you're fishing for an apology, you're not going to get one. I proved my point, didn't I?
Why did you like Fred so much? Well, surely not just because he's a good-looking guy.
There's this unique feeling, like an energy around him, and I just really like it.
You're right, Emily. It is the unique feeling. Computers will never have a unique feeling. No matter how powerful an artificial intelligence is, it can never replace real artists and real human beings. Well, it's okay. I understand. And just so you know, I'm not mad at you.
What is this?